Thank you for viewing this presentation from the Tennessee Department of Revenue on franchise and excise tax exemptions. This discussion involves LLCs or LLPs that provide affordable housing and receive low-income housing credits. The qualifications for this exemption are found in Tennessee Code Annotated Section 67-4-2008. Your entity must be formed exclusively to provide affordable housing. Your entity also must have received an allocation of low-income housing tax credits pursuant to Internal Revenue Code Section 42. Each of your residential buildings must have had an extended low-income housing commitment as defined in Internal Revenue Code Section 42 as well. It must have been in effect with respect to each residential building owned by the entity for the period covered by the return. In order to receive the exemption, you must file Form FAE 183, Application for Exemption or Annual Exemption Renewal, in order to receive the exemption. You must also include a separate Affordable Housing Certification form from the Tennessee Housing Development Agency. If your entity does not meet the exemption requirements for any given year, you must complete a franchise and excise tax return and pay tax for that year. This must be done electronically with any payment of any taxes due by the 15th day of the fourth month following the close of your tax year. In order to renew your exemption, you must do this on an annual basis by filing Form FAE 183, which must be submitted by the 15th day of the fourth month following the close of your entity's tax year. Entities requesting an extension for federal income tax are automatically granted an extension. For more information, please see the Application for Exemption or Annual Renewal Form 183 from the Tennessee Department of Revenue. Please also consult the Tennessee Housing Development Agency's website for information on the Affordable Housing Certificate of Contribution for Tax Credit. You may also find information regarding the franchise and excise tax return on Form 170 and its instructions. The Tennessee Housing Development Agency's website at thdA.org contains additional information as well, and Tennessee Code Annotated Section 67-4-2008 contains information about the Department of Revenue's tax exemption. Thank you for viewing this presentation from the Tennessee Department of Revenue.